Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to share with you this little journal book that I made using the Bostitch booklet stapler. I believe it's also called a saddle stapler, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so let me show you. So this is using the round trip collection. I took an eyelet and I added a charm to it. And then it just makes a cute little booklet. And you can use your scraps, which is what's amazing. And you can use, or you can cut out different sized papers and make a cute little journal. Here I use the coordinating envelopes that were part of the collection. And I also had a ton of ephemera. I remember when this collection came out, I went a little crazy because I loved the whole concept of the traveling, and the colors were just, I love the collection. And then you can see where my staples are. I did hide it with some washi tape. And then here's another one of the cute little envelopes. And then I just added the ephemera. So I'm going to put photos in there. But you can make such a fun little quick project. And then I just, created a little pocket. And so there was no dies that I needed to make this, just a stapler. And just a really quick project you can make. Okay. So the good thing is, here I have a total of, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 pages total. So 20, the other side. But that's how many pages you can get with one of these, which is amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take one of my collections that I had for a long time. This is, from Authentic. This is the Sea Maiden is the collection. And this is pretty old. It doesn't say what year it is. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take whatever pieces of scrap that I kept, and I'm going to make a quick booklet, which I'll show you how quick it is to just make. Okay, so let me just take out whatever loose pages that I have that I didn't use. So as you can see, I have a lot of different sized ones. This one's really pretty. Let's just take the whole thing out because sometimes it can be in between these big pieces. Oh yeah, so this is a piece that we could use. There's another one that's all cut up. This one's another one. There's another piece. So I think I have a good amount of 12 by 12 still left. But again, the focus is to use the scraps that I have, or the leftovers, that I didn't use. Okay. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take my trimmer because, I want to trim out these pieces here, or you can leave them, it's up to you. But I'm just going to trim it out. And let's just trim that. So we got this piece. So we got one so far. I think I'll save these so I have 3x4 cards to add to it later. So I'll save that. Here's another one. I'll just again trim that piece off. And then I'll just even this one out. So I'm not even measuring, I'm just cutting little extra pieces. Here's some more 3x4. I think I'll save this. This one's really pretty. And if you have bigger pieces like this, you can cut it in half. That will give you another page to your journal, booklet, or what, you know, whichever you want to call it. And let's see here. This one's nice and cut, so I don't need to trim that. Let's see here. Let's make this one even. I want this one to be straight. And then we'll cut this piece out. You know, let's cut this in half. Let's cut it at 4. It's not really half, but maybe, might be. That way, you know, I have smaller pieces. Because all the other pieces were kind of big. I'll save that. This is too small, so we could save, looks like I basically cut out one of the mermaids. We could save these tiny pieces for making pockets. You can make these as pockets, and I'll do one so you could show you. Oh, looks like it had some cut aparts, or not cut aparts, some little die cuts. So we'll save those. Here's another one. Let's just trim that piece off. I'm gonna not trim this piece. Okay, so there's that. And then I got all these little bits and pieces that I'm gonna save. Okay, let's see how many pages we have so far. We got 1, 2, just flip it, make that 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, maybe let's take a 12 by 12, but that's, again, another thing you could do is just take one of your, if you want more pages. I'll take a 12 by 12, the one I don't have. Okay, I don't have this, so I'll make this as 1 page. That way I'll make it an even 8. And I don't have this page. Okay, so we'll cut that. And let's see here. I'll maybe cut it. Let's see what the size is of these by looking at it. I'll make a longer one. Let's just make this 8 inches. So we'll have a bigger piece. So we'll have 8 inch of that. And then this one, we'll do maybe, let's do a 5 or 6 inch. We'll do a 6. I'm gonna have the other half for something else. Okay, there we go. Got all our pages. Now, all I'm gonna do next is just, let's get my phone folder here. And I'm just gonna fold it in half. That's all I'm gonna do. Just folding it in half. Just fold this in half. And this side. So just pick which side you want. And you can make a really quick, pretty project. Okay, I like this one. It's like the red. A little pop of color in there. And this one will fold. This is the same design as the other one. I'll just do the opposite side. And then if you want, you can add like envelopes. You can add glassine bags. You can, you know, add book pages if you want. So lots of possibilities there. Okay, so let's get rid of this. This will make us maybe a pocket later. Okay, so now we got all our pages. I'm gonna decide where or how I want it to look. Okay, so the first thing I do is I decide on my cover. I'll make this my cover. Well, let's see. Yeah, I'll make this my cover. Okay, so this will be my cover. And then I'll do this one next. So you're just basically lining the book up. And again, you could just play around with it. There's no right or wrong way, just except for just, you know, the direction of the paper, of course, you know, the correct direction. So I'll put this like that. And then let's see, I'll do this one next. And then I'll do this. Let's roll this way. Not too busy. Okay, there's that. And then we've got this one. So, go this way. And then this guy. We'll put him in between. Let's put him in between one of the larger pages here. In between. Let's just do this. So again, you just play around with it and see how you like it to look. And then I just start evening them out, you know, lining it up. So I go from the first one to the next one. Just make sure it's all nice and even. Or you could stagger it, you know, it's up to you how you want it to look once it's completed. So I think that looks good, okay? So then the next thing I do is, again, you can use a clip. You can use, like, you know, one of these guys to hold it down. Because they're different sizes, it probably won't hold all of it down, but it'll hold the majority of it. And then I just take my stapler. I find the center. So let's find the center. Actually, wait, hold on. Before I do that, now that I'm looking at my other one, let's take the smaller one and put it in the front. Let me take that one back. I'll take this guy. See, you'll find yourself, at least with mine, I find myself keep changing my mind. Okay, so I'll do it like that. Okay, so now, again, just make sure it's all nice and where I want it to be. And then I just hold it, and then I place it on my stapler here. I find the center. And then you could feel it, you know. And then you just hold it down, and you just staple. And then, let's see, I'll do like here. And then, oh, that one didn't go in. Yeah, sometimes, you know, just like a stapler, you push it down. Sometimes it doesn't staple all the way down, but there you go. And then we'll do this one. Okay, and there we go. Now we got our book. And when you flip it, really cute. And then you could decorate it once you start, you know, adding the ephemera and decorating it. It all comes together and looks really cute, just like any journal or book or mini album, whatever, you know, you plan to make with this. Looks really cute. And that's just basically what I did here. I just, you know, just did little different size pages, and you can see here how I staggered it. So it just gives it a little bit more character to it, I think, you know, versus it all being the same size. That's what I love about it. And that's the beauty of your, you know, the scrap or whatever leftover pages you have, because there's going to be different sizes and you can make a really cute project. And this one, once it, you know, I decorate it, it's going to look really cute. But yeah, so that's how I made it. And thanks for watching. Bye.